The couching stitch is quite simple. I'm using 6 strands of this color here. You're going to come up at the beginning of your line and then down at the opposite end, and you'll tie that off. Now you can see that I've put little notches along the line. I'm going to take 3 strands of a different color, and I'm going to come up at one of those notches, and wrapping around my first string, I'm going to go down on the opposite side right next to where I came up, and I'm going to do that the whole way across here. Now if you're using a shape that is not a straight line, you would just kind of trace your shape with the first thread to the length that you would need, and then you would do this along the entire shape to secure it where you'd like. You could use this for outlining a shape or for a stem. You could do it in contrasting colors or similar colors. But that's the couching stitch.